Hi, I'm Jeff Banks, the founder of Banks Consultancy, Not Your Ordinary Accountants, and these are our tidbits of the day. And today I want to talk to you about bad debts. Why? Well, it's the 1st of June. We have 30 days left before the end of the year. And if we're going to do our bad debt write-offs properly, the tax department will want to see them taken out of our system in this particular month, no later. We can't go after the 30th of June and say, oh, this guy became bad later on, so we can write him off back in the 30th of June. It just doesn't work that way. It's like your superannuation contributions. If they're not made on time, they don't become a tax deduction. If we don't do our bad debt write-offs properly, the tax department could say, well, hang on, that's not a tax deduction, and worse, when we actually do collect it down the track, we could end up paying double taxation because we've had a bad debt recovered, we tried to write off a bad debt beforehand and were denied the deduction, so therefore we paid tax on the income before the 30th of June and we paid tax on the income after the 30th of June if our accounting system works properly. Now, looking at our bad debt system, if I write it off, can I not chase it? Absolutely not. You can get out there and chase it actively. It just needs to be written out of your debtors list. You know, we here at Banks Consultancy unfortunately have a file of debt collection that when we write things out of our debtors list, they go straight off to the debt collectors, off to the lawyers, and they chase them for us. If we collect money back from them, all well and good. But we take the tax deduction when we feel the debt has become bad. If you want any help with any concept of this sort of nature, please contact us here at Banks Consultancy. Either I or one of my trained staff will go through these concepts with you. But we are only 30 days out from the end of the year. If we're not in full swing of making sure that everything's done properly now up until the 30th of June, we're going to get to the point where we're going to be a couple of days out from 30th of June and we're just going to physically run out of time. At this particular point, we have a checklist that we can send around to everybody that we will be sending to all our clients. If anybody out there wants a copy of that checklist, please let us know and we will forward it to them. There will also be a DVD entitled The Ultimate Business Year-End Checklist that our clients will get for free, but will be on sale to anyone else who might particularly want it. Check our website for details. As with anything, contact us here at Banks Consultancy if you need help getting ready for the 30th of June. I'm Jeff Banks from Banks Consultancy and we are Not Your Ordinary Accountants.